Leclerc's first ever home Grand Prix in Monaco has ended with retirement and big damage as well to the Toro Rosso of Brendan Hartley. Leclerc had no chance to get...
اصفر اصفر شوف لاحظ اصفر اصفر لازم يسكر
فاكر
يعني انا شفت لاحظت
انه في فرق.
Oh, someone's hit the barrier, it's Max Verstappen. Here on the approach to Rascasse, Max Verstappen, one of the favourites for pole position later on this afternoon, has absolutely clobbered the Armco.
Oh! Fuck!
Oh my God! And there is a Toro Rosso of Brendan Hartley into the barriers. He's had quite a major bang. For Valtteri Bottas,
huge amount of damage and wrecked his teammate's lap, of course.
Grosjean loses it, spins 360 degrees, and Hulkenberg could do nothing to avoid him.
I tried the outside, yeah, we lost it a bit, and then I got the yeah, that's it.
Around it went, and once the engine and gearbox starts overtaking you, it's like a big pendulum. That is not the smartest move to create a fog. It pretty much guarantees somebody's going to run into you.
What the fuck? taking a tumble and being punted off the...
Just mentioned earlier.
And lucky that it didn't flip over.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, I think you have to agree that's why we have the halo.
So involved Nico Hulkenberg in the Renault.
Come on! What did he do?
Charles Leclerc suddenly sees orange across his visor.
It may be orange and it's just been peeled.
Okay, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Well, there was absolutely nothing he could do. The car just went on under braking, just stepped out from underneath him.
That's a massive accident. That's at high speed as well.